Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to execute SQL queries during the startup of SQL Plus in Oracle Database 21C Enterprise Edition. That is, when I log into the SQL Plus editor, some query will be executed during the startup. Okay, so that's what I am going to show you now. Okay, now I am in Oracle home directory. So under Oracle home directory you can see SQL Plus. Under that you can see admin directory. Under that you can see that glogin.sql. So open that glogin.sql. So here I am going to add the SQL query. Okay, SQL query I am going to add. So this SQL query will check the free space available in the table space. Okay, save the glogin.sql file. Now open the SQL Plus editor and try to log in as sysdba. Yes, you can see that SQL query is executed after login. Okay, that is startup. Okay, now I am going to try one more. Here I am going to add path name for SQL file. Okay, instead of adding SQL query, I am going to add the SQL file path name. Okay, this is also a valid entry. So like this way also you can add entries to glogin.sql. So now let us see what is going to happen. Save the glogin.sql. So once again I am going to log in as a sysdba in SQL Plus. Now let us see what is going to happen. Yes, you can see SQL query also executed and SQL file also is getting executed during the startup. So make sure that you have added the entries correctly in glogin.sql.